If you don't have a grinding machine, this video is for you. Get me this kind of knife and a nail. Pull the knife from the casing. After removing the knife from the casing, go to a table that has a heavy weight. Cut the knife in between one of the edges of the table. You do this gradually to avoid damaging the knife. You have to also make sure that the knife is straight as you are getting it into the wood. Make sure it is straight. So after getting the knife into the wood, use your nail to cross the knife. You nail it on the other side and bend it across the nail to serve as a guard to the knife. Put the nail on the other side of the knife, then cross it across the knife to serve as a guard, so that the knife won't have to move from the wood when you are applying your force or pressure. So you can see how it is done. You pull the material towards your own end. This will help you to get a neat finished edges without having to stress or bother about using a filing machine after finishing or coupling your footwear, because filing machine is a bit costly. So as a beginner, you can use this method to get your edges fixed without bothering about not having a bench grinder or a filing machine. So all you need to do, mark your insole or your outsole, draw the material towards your own side, slow and steady. After you must have finished cutting each of any of your soles, you should observe if there is anywhere that you made a little mistake. Use a smooth sandpaper to get it fixed. You always need a sharp knife in every production you're making. It will make the work more easier, more faster, and more neater. So you can see that you cannot achieve neat edges without bothering about a grinding or filing machine. You can cut any material with this method: Nora, Mako, and what other materials that shoemakers use for their soles and insoles. It is very simple, easy to fix. Just understand the act. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more videos. Use this hack till you are able to buy yourself a grinding or a filing machine. See you in our next video. Have a nice day.